Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Your Excellency, you go step down for a consensus candidate for your party.
Step down for who?
If PDP today present a consensus candidate.
What do they call consensus? What do they call consensus? Why go step down for anybody? You see, if you want to do consensus, you go do consensus. We will say that's equity. We will say it is fair to everybody. We will say everybody will get justice. Our constitution for PDP, section 7, subsection 3, C, talks a look. They're going to do rotation for party offices. And the election will do for other elected positions like president and this and that. Now, so the constitution of PDP talks so. If the consensus way you want to do, not to gang up against 1 or 2%, why will go put myself for that kind of consensus? And these people, they talk about consensus, their hands clean. Their hands no clean. You see, this thing, so, important, what we call a shine bubble. The more you look, the less you see. Some people think that because they will short like this, they want to do consensus. Now lie. Now why you? Now people when they run election and then they talk consensus. Now party talk. Not be party talk. Now like for example, you and me and this person say we want with the run, we want the same people do consensus. If you also remember, say people they talk consensus, then talk say we be northerners, where they run for the president, make we do consensus. Nobody say that everybody talks so. Now people were from the north, the presidential aspect, and them set up, say they want to do consensus amongst them. Then later they call chief, okay, make we be everybody. I say, no be so. I be really like why for my life.
Okay, Your Excellency, the day where you declare, get one statement where you make, and I want to ask about you talk say those founding fathers will run come out from the party and still want today recognize they don't lose their shares. Who exactly you talk about?
No. I don't get any person for mine. Wouldn't I be talk say people would talk say that them make where this party come. It be like person will follow when they go fund company. Then you do for the company. Yeah, just say they get problem. Or you say no, you want to go put here, you want to take your money, we put here. Go put for another business. Immediately you come out now, you know go talk say you be shy what they give for the company, right? You know go talk like that. Yes, I know say this company follow foreman. But after something, you can say no, you want to take your money, go put for another place. As you take your money, go put for another place. You know get this company, you don't get anything with the company again. Now so the politics be. If you say now I bring PDP, you can't come out. As you come out, these people there, nobody be found them father again. Okay, don't come out. As you come now, you be new person. You don't be found them father again.
Several people don't show interest for your party to come out to contest. We get the former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar. We get the former Governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, Governor of Sokoto State, Atambuwa, and others. How you think, say, you go rate if you stand side by side with these candidates?
I think we're losing.
Rate with them in terms of their experience and the caliber of these other candidates for the PDP.
What do they call caliber? Oh, how they take the no caliber? What do they measure caliber of person? What do we be? Ask all of them there. Nobody don't pass through the level where I don't pass. Local government na grassroots too. I don't also become minister.
We get former a Vice President of Nigeria for that.
Now, former Vice President, he don't be chairman before. He don't be governor before. He don't be minister before. Don't need to be the Vice President now. Me, I don't be chairman. Go before grassroots. Me, I don't go do minister work. Me, now they do governor work. Who get that kind of experience past me for government? And when they look, person who don't contribute very well for PDP, now who? So if we put everybody together, Put us say, okay, why you there? Make it there, make it there. You don't say that people will go choose me. You don't say the delegates that we go choose. Even the work I don't do when Nigeria don't see. What the people they find as person who they get that courage. Person when they look first, they fear. Person when they say, this thing are white, this one are black.
Make we go back to a bit, because you also, one of the states where you also visit recently now, Edo State, where you visit the Oba of Benin, and you also talk to some party delegates. But one thing we're clear, and where also the media see and where they report, now say you no visit the State House and you no visit the state governor. What did they happen between you and Obaseki?
What did they happen? Anybody go first me where I go visit, where I don't go visit. You get the new law where talk say, if I go to so state, I will see so person. They don't ask say whether him don't come my state one day, when I come visit me. So why you be like say when me I go when I come visit you?
But you and Ambi close before. Now you particularly fight where people see to make.
That was na PDP send me. Na PDP send me go walk. Na PDP send me. No be say they close to. Na PDP tell me say I go do help make PDP win election. So now work why I do for PDP. I don't do it for any other person. Na PDP I do the work for. Now maybe PDP win too. So I happy. What would they drag? Will be boyfriend and get paid. What would they drag? Him be governor for Edo, me I be governor for River State. I go find delegates. So nobody go tell me how we go find delegates. Now me where the contest election, now me will know how we take go find delegates. So I don't know why people go want to say you go find delegates, you know pass through governor. And that one no be law. No be law at all.
Make we leave PDP and look at APC. Make we see the candidates where don't come out, the people where don't come out say they won't contest. We get the current Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, APC chieftain, Bola, National Leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We also get the Minister of Transportation, former Governor of River State, Rotimi Amechi. How you think, say, if you get the ticket to represent the opposition party for the ballot 2023, how you think, say, you go rate with those candidates?
What don't we, anybody will be APC candidate, what didn't go talk? No, but then they work with the present government, who don't Dabaru Nigeria. VP, not even be VP. What didn't go do now, we go change. When I think the government no do. Even the minister, we don't know, you see, the thing with this country, where I'm government, you don't say APC government don't fail. And anybody who there for APC is not failure. What did they tell Nigerians when they give them another opportunity? What opportunity? All of them, they work with the man. All of them, they press the man don't do well. They make Nigerians, they hear. The people who say they want to be president, they tell Nigerians, upon this suffer, upon this insecurity where they, upon the economy don't fall finish. Naira don't, the fall of Naira be like say, now even people they run 100 meters, they never did that way. The way take fall. Now the people, they come to Nigeria and say, this president don't do well. He don't do well as insecurity they high. He don't do well as the economy don't do too much. He don't do well as Naira don't fall flat.
Who you think say among them?
I know that see any of them will go through do anything better than what Buhari don't do. What did they go do? You see, what I like to say, it's their government. It's their government. If Fred attend meeting, executive council meeting with the government, he be vice president. Sometimes you don't act as president. All that time, no be him they had the economic team. How the economy take be? How it take be? If the minister of transport, nobody attend the executive council meeting. He didn't see what did happen. So you don't know
the Minister of Transportation a different portfolio. You know, go fit do much. Probably this not the opportunity you will get to be able to do some other things.
So you know if you do much, all the money we borrow from China, you know the money we're supposed to take work. Why the work you never do and when? It's just like as I did as the governor. You can't talk say, okay, I still no do well for governor if you go. President go do well. What kind of talk? Which kind of talk be that?
You just come from Kano State. It good as Your Excellency, you talk, say you dey go state to state, and one of the states where you recently visit now Kano State, and you visit the state governor. And the state governor make one comment where go round on top social media and everything, where you talk, say you go lose the election. You know, take on.
No, you know, sir, people
No take offense with that comment.
No. See the thing take happen. Now play with the play. When me I carry microphone, I told and say, look, I come your state. Maybe I can talk to people who will vote for me and May 2020, this 2022, 28th to 29th of May. So make you know, say, why they do this? Because I know say they will come out for government. Because their government never do well. Now me, we can take over, make I put things in order. So now so I just say about. So when you come carry on telephone, on the microphone, he goes say, hey, say no, say me, I will lose and I will be a good loser. So now play we just the play. But see what we try to talk about the press can't carry on. You don't come talk the one we are talking. Now me talk after before you can reply me. The man a good person where he received us very well, very jovial. Of course, we are politicians. When you throw one banter, this is what we throw. So now what thing happen?
Your Excellency, it gets anything wey go make you comot hand to become the president of Nigeria? It gets anything wey go happen where your party go?
The only thing wey go fit make me comot hand and say I don't die. If I die alive, na lie. This thing we will finish am 28, 29. But if I don't die, what do you do again now? That person they contest election. But I don't say my God tells I know die. Nothing will make me remove my hand. Now what I want to help my country too. Nobody will go along this country will say how this country be. He will say, no, go to say I will feature in your country. Now we will change them for you now. So make your mind really go and say you get one day where I will come toss I need to do again. I don't tell you, the only thing will make me do that thing. And luckily, before I come and I tell my wife, he said, you can go. If I don't tell my wife, then she come first. Say, why did you do it? So I should make her know how I go pay. But this time she know. So when you don't tell me, go ahead. I did.
We are just watching these people. 2023 is their problem, not the problem of anybody. It's their own problem. But what we are asking is that they should free Mazina the Kanu. Nobody is disturbing them, but we know very well that the fight that is going to happen 2023 is above human imagination. So my Kabbalistic people, that is all about this update. This is Wike sending a signal to his opponents. So thank you once again for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Do what to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't, and do what to drop your opinion for me in the comment section. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.